Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can use Zoom on your phone. First of all, for using Zoom on the phone you have to install Zoom. For that I have to go on to Play Store and then search Zoom. I have searched Zoom. I have installed it before, so that's why I am not going to install it again. If you haven't installed it, please install it and then open up the app, like I am opening up the app from here. Now if you want to start a meeting, you can click meet, and then you have to, if you want to turn off the video you can off the video. If you want to turn on the video you can also keep it turned on. I'm going to turn it off because I don't want the video. Start a meeting, then I will hit start a meeting. So right now if I want to start the meeting I can click start. Now meeting is started. I am going to allow the permissions which are required. After that, if I want to do something else I can do that. For suppose if there are people in the meeting I can chat with them in this option, or if I want to chat with a specific person I can also do that. And this is the more option. Here are participants. If participants, here you can see the participants, and then if you want to share the screen you can also do it from here, this option. I'm not going to share my screen, so that's why I'm leaving it there as it is. If I want to end the meeting I can click over here, and if I am the host I will be able to see this option. If I'm not the host I won't be able to see this option, end meeting for all. If I am a person who is joining the meeting I can only see this option. If I am the host I will be able to see this option, end meeting for all. For now I'm going to end meeting for all. To end the meeting, and if you want to join the meeting then you have to click join the meeting and you have to enter the ID and then click join. If you want to connect the audio, then turn it off. If you don't want to connect the audio you can click I don't want to connect the audio, this option. Or if you want to turn off the video you can also select that. The next option is schedule. If you want to schedule a meeting you can also do that by using this option. If you want to share the screen you can also share the screen via here. For now I have to get the meeting ID. I don't have it and I don't want to share my screen, so that's why I'm going to cancel it. This is the app. If you have any questions you can feel free to put them into comment section. If you have any questions you can ask me in the comment section. If you like the video please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos. Thank you.